Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So yeah, we've had quite a bit of price action in the charts today. A big rally up and then a pretty big rally down, dump. But yeah, so straight to the charts. 15-minute DMT. You can see we did actually get under the sell line, but we didn't even come close to closing under there, and then obviously bounced back up after. So yeah, no DMT trade. What we did actually trade though was this Dominator. So we got the sell trade here. So it was pretty much on this candle. It took a short about 5,900 and something, and then got us out of 5,700 and something. So it was over $200 move in the price of Bitcoin. So obviously we'd had pretty strong move up, so it did take quite a lot of this move down to actually turn the Dominator into a sell, because we were trending pretty strongly upwards. So it did only catch the tail end. I mean, if it caught at the bar earlier, would have been sat on a lot bigger profits, but hey, that's how it is. That's how obviously this is a lot of volatility. So yes, that's a great trade. I can show you that here. So 2.82%. The base order size we're trading at the moment, and bearing in mind this is the account split into in half, so two different BitMEX accounts with half of the bot BTC in each one. It actually still only it was only the smaller, so it's a 50% base order size, so it's actually only 25% capital. Whereas if you look at our DMT account, we're trading 125% of base order size, so it's more than double the size. So the Dominator trades a smaller size, position size, but it gets into trades earlier. Earlier. I mean, sometimes the DMT won't even get a trade, but Dominator would have got into one. So we do trade it in smaller size, because then we'll be getting in again with DMT potentially, but that wasn't the case this time. So yeah, interestingly, we were only in the trade for 7 minutes, so it wasn't very long, 8.25 to 8.32. But that was good enough to pull out a 2.82% move in the price of Bitcoin. So yeah, so I'm pleased basically the fact that I turned the bot back on the other day, as you guys know, yesterday it would have been, and to have got a winning trade on the board straight away. So glad to see that. So yeah, over to Ethereum. We'll just check the Ethereum whilst we're here. Ethereum DMT has actually gone into a sell now, but I mean, you guys know the volatility. I'm not basically trading Ethereum with DMT, not on the 15-minute anyway. But yeah, you can see, so that pretty much gonna have got you at your stop. I don't know, I'm not sure when that would have triggered off. Well, it actually would have been here, it would have sold, and then obviously now you're quite a bit further up, and we wicked up quite a lot up. But this is why I don't have the bots on when we have massive volatility, but well, not for DMT anyway, but and not for Ethereum. Obviously I have got them on for Bitcoin, but yeah, because you can get whipsawed about with this action. 25-minute Dominator though got us Dominator got us short here. So if I had the Ethereum 25-minute Dominator on, like I did plan to, we would have been short about here. We wicked down 12%. So I mean, based on the bot settings and the retrace and how this candle played out, I don't know how much profit would have got, but could potentially have got a lot if this was straight down and then wicked back up. So we could have got a 10% trade from that Ethereum. So yeah, so maybe I should have had that already set up, but it's not at the moment. So anyway, yeah, so that's the update on those two Bitcoin and Ethereum, Dominator and DMT indicators, and then obviously the DMT trade the Dominator trade, that we took for Bitcoin. So anyway, yeah, so thanks for listening to that video, guys. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and yeah, I'll have another video for you guys in the morning.